little ones. Welcome to the splendid jungle of Papua. This is Cici, the Cenderawasih bird, with feathers so dazzling they sparkle like rainbows. She lives in a bright, happy place full of tall trees and chirpy sounds. Every morning, she wakes up at dawn, twirls in the sunlight, and dreams of paradise secrets hiding high above. Perhaps it's a sky full of sweets, who knows? One fine day, Cici flutters about and spots Momo the monkey sulking on a branch. His tummy's rumbling because he's got no bananas. Cici swoops in with a cheeky chirp and says, "Oh, Momo, you look like a grumpy cloud." Momo grumbles, "I'm starving, not funny." Cici giggles, "Hold on, mate, I've got a jolly plan." And off she flies. Up, Cici goes high into the treetops. She finds a tree bursting with ripe yellow bananas. So, what a sight! With a silly little dance, she drops them plop, 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 right onto Momo's head. Momo tumbles off his branch, bananas everywhere, and shouts, "Oi, Cici, is this a banana shower?" Cici laughs, "No, it's paradise delivery," and flaps her wings in a funny twirl. By dusk, the jungle turns all twinkly with stars. Cici and Momo sit together, munching bananas, nom nom nom. Momo's grinning now, his tummy full and happy. Cici does a little hop and says, "See, sharing's the best." The trees sway gently and the sky glows like magic. Cici's kindness makes everything brighter. So kiddos, be kind and share your goodies. It's the secret to a happy heart. Cheerio till next time.